FT-TAC-PI21 parking air conditioner installation video. Prepare the installation tools. 1. Select the installation location. 2. Mark the hole location. The position of the roof interior ceiling strip. 3. Cut and clean the surrounding area according to the mark. 4. Clean the edges. And paste the sealant strip to the marked position. 5. Apply waterproof glue to the inside and outside. 6. Lift the air conditioner to the roof. 7. Install all limit plates. 8. Install the air conditioning decorative panel. 9. Fix the external power cord. Connect the black negative first. Then connect the red positive pole. Installation completed.